I got involved with EPICN during my Fulbright scholarship at the University of Oregon, where I took part in the Sustainable Cities Initiative Year program, and I undertook a project in Redmond, Oregon. So having been so positively impacted by that program, I decided to initiate the same program back at home.
One of the visions for EPICN is to transform higher education around the world to help communities address some of their pressing social, environmental, and economic and political issues that they're trying to deal with.
And this is a great opportunity. It's almost like a civics lesson of like, this is what your government is. These are the types of things that it does. These are the types of things you as a citizen can get involved in.
You know, it was projects examining how our fee systems worked and understanding that they're not necessarily responsive to what the community needs us to be funding. What do we do with the grocery store that used to be on the corner in a big box but has now vacated, and it's just a vacated space? How do we reimagine that, and how do we do it with the community alongside?
You know, it's not that there's a lack of knowledge of what to do, of how to make our communities better, more financially solvent, or more sustainable, or more equitable. There's this real gap in how you get knowledge and put it into practice.
It can be a tool to gather people together, even in a community, and speak about challenges that they commonly face, and also talk about the goals of a community.
What's really important to me is that we're developing partnerships where the community's needs are being expressed through those partnerships. And so a model like EPIC is putting power back into cities and communities so that their needs are being met at the same time that students are learning.
EPIC's future is that we're going to continue to try and expand the model, not only through the US, but also across the world, because we think this is a way to transform higher education. This is a way to really take advantage of resources that exist at universities and match them with needs in communities.
The benefit of this model is the scale, the fact that you're engaging a community across a number of projects, and on the university side, it's just a great way to engage a truly cross-disciplinary group of faculty and students to work on those projects together.
Partnerships that come out of programs that are EPICN programs really expand our ability to pull in different resources, innovative resources and ideas. It helps us just get a little bit further on projects that have been stuck or that just need a little bit of energy and they need some great ideas and fresh ideas. So it's incredibly helpful for us. It helps us expand the horizon of what's possible.
Well, I would definitely recommend that universities should be encouraged to take up an EPICN program because it's a very good way to make education practical. It's a very good way to equip students with skills to address current concerns. So even as they graduate, they're able to make a positive impact in the community. And it's also a nice way for us to synergize between practice and theory, because through EPIC they get to interact with day-to-day challenges and see how their education can be used as a tool to address those challenges.